Tesla may already have a lot of projects on its plate, but the company still continues to explore new product for its lineup in the future. And during a recent Tesla employee all-hands meeting, Elon Musk shared confirmation of several new projects. In today's video, we will reveal the 3 new Teslas lined up for 2023. And everything seems to be pointing to one thing in particular: 2023 is going to be the year of Tesla. So what exactly can we anticipate from these new Teslas? Which are the biggest releases that are lined up? Let us find out as we dive deeper into the subject. Welcome to Futured. Before getting into it, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's take a look at the new Teslas coming in 2023. Tesla has gone from a low-volume novelty to a full-on trendsetter in a short amount of time, with numerous factories. And now, the Tesla Model S and Model X vehicles are already sold out until 2023. From its initial product, the performance-oriented roadster, to the most refined electric car of all time, the Model 3. Tesla constantly has proven itself to produce excellent electronic vehicles. It also boasts the quickest electric vehicle in production, the Model S Plaid, indicating that the American corporation is far from settling. However, as you'll see when it comes to innovative products, Musk has assigned his team to concentrate on 2023. Musk has a robust no discussion with media protocol for his employees, which is why most product news comes directly from him. Because no Tesla worker will jeopardize their career or possibly face a lawsuit by discussing anything that is discussed within the company or during team meetings, Musk expects complete confidentiality from its employees. Still, no one, especially Musk, ever gets what they desire. And as a result, the meeting information is now accessible to you in this video. Let's look at the Tesla cars that will be unleashed on an unsuspecting globe in 2023. 1. The Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is made of the same stainless steel that is to be used to construct SpaceX's spaceship, which is slated to be the world's most giant and most powerful rocket. Musk plans to utilize the spacecraft to transport humans to Mars, while NASA hopes to send 2 astronauts to the moon as soon as 2024. As a result, there will be a moment when the same stainless steel substance will be traveling through space and on city streets simultaneously. How cool is that? However, that is all set to happen when Tesla kickstarts the Cybertruck's manufacturing. Many things must fall into place for that one-of-a-kind event to take place. For example, there are millions of pre-orders for the Cybertruck, and Tesla must increase manufacturing to be able to meet them. But it won't be able to do so without a consistent supply of steel. This is why it has reached an agreement with Steel Dynamics, a company that manufactures steel. This startup is constructing its factory in Sinton, Texas, which is located near the Giga Texas facility in Austin, where Tesla expects to manufacture the Cybertruck. Steel Dynamics will invest over $1.7 billion in this state-of-the-art factory, which is expected to be fully operational in 2022, with the goal of the Sinton factory to meet Tesla's stainless steel demands for the Cybertruck. Steel Dynamics' host county is already planning for a new courthouse, annex roads, and other improvements that will be paid for using tax revenues produced by the steel mill. There's one more thing Tesla needs to turn the Cybertruck into an actual product in 2022. Otherwise, it won't succeed. That is the newest 4680 cell battery, according to Tesla. It has been developing this battery for a while now. This new battery promises enhancements, including a more excellent range, quicker charging times, better safety, and less weight. Tesla must construct the manufacturing facilities that will produce the battery packs. This is why Tesla is in Markham, Ontario, Canada, started working on a plan to develop the equipment that will be needed to make the new batteries. It is the first Tesla-branded plant in Canada, and the equipment will be sold to all the world's gigafactories. Tesla is now running a battery manufacturing trial plan on Cato Road near Fremont. As Tesla's engineers work to make the Cybertruck production ready, several prototypes were spotted in public, including one with side mirrors, a legal obligation that many fans dislike, and another prototype with a matte black color. It looks incredible, right? Indicating that the Cybertruck would at least offer one color option aside from the grayscale image of the stainless steel. 2. Model 2. The next electric vehicle that popped up during Musk's discussion with his workers is the Model 2. Elon already confirmed that it will not be named the Model 2, though it is only reasonable for the car to be called the Model 2, given that there is already a Model 3. Nevertheless, as Tesla has not yet announced the Model 2's name, we'll call it that. The high price tag of the Tesla's automobiles bothered Elon because he recognizes that many people are not able to afford them. Even though the relatively pricey Tesla vehicles have earned him a fortune, Musk wants to develop a Tesla electric car that would sell for $25,000. This automobile will help facilitate the implementation of electric cars and reduce carbon emissions globally, which is exactly what Elon Musk wants. The Model 2 is a compact body hatchback with 2 doors, as can be seen by renderings circulating on the internet. This low-cost Tesla seems to be a mix of the Model 3 and the Model Y. Elon made it clear that this new price point is achieved through Tesla's new battery cell and battery manufacturing plans, which could reduce battery costs by over 50%. Do you think Elon Musk will succeed in his plan? As the Model 3, which was supposed to be a $35,000 car, has already surpassed the $40,000 level. However, Tesla has set up research and development facilities in China to find a way to make this car. Part of the problem is that Musk will not accept crappy specs just to hit the price point as other automakers would. Nonetheless, it appears that the vehicle is slowly being brought together in China, as there have been rumors that Tesla is rounding up suppliers for the production. According to specific reports, Tesla China has finished the first environmental assessment for Model 2 manufacturing, which will begin in 2021. The Model 2 will cut across various divisions or units inside Tesla. One reason is that it will require the use of the most recent autopilot software. Musk has proposed that the Model 2 would drive itself and so possibly may remove the steering wheel or even free up the driver's seat. There will also be no pedals. Tesla sought to make the Model Y fully autonomous, but that didn't happen, so the Model 2 is the next Tesla contender for self-driving. 3. The Tesla van. Tesla has been thinking about producing an electric van or minibus for years now, since they have been looking at 2 new segments, including a high passenger density option to electrify. As Elon Musk stated, in addition to consumer vehicles, there are 2 other types of electric vehicle needed: heavy-duty trucks and high passenger density urban transport. Both are in the early stages of development at Tesla and should be ready for unveiling next year. We believe the Tesla Semi will deliver a substantial reduction in the cost of cargo transport while increasing safety and making it really fun to operate. For this, Elon Musk is willing to work together with Daimler. The plans for the van include having elements that make it simple for wheelchairs to enter and exit the vehicle or to be put into the trunk. The Boring Company, which builds secret tunnels for mass transportation, has received permission to broaden its system of tunnels at the Las Vegas Convention Center. The Boring Company uses Model Y and Model 3 to ferry people through the tunnels, but the Robo-Van would be much more appropriate because it can bring more people with every trip. With 3 critical models, 2022-23 will be a pivotal year for Tesla. Which product are you looking forward to the most? Will the upcoming Tesla sales be boosted by lower prices? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss a video from us. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.